Ever wondered what a personal injury settlement is and how you could get it? It's a resolution between the injured party and the person or entity that caused the injury. This often involves making amends through a monetary payment. It's a way for the responsible party to compensate for the damages they've caused, whether that's physical, emotional, or financial. It's a process that requires careful navigation, but with the right knowledge, it can be done. Now that you know what a personal injury settlement is, let's delve into how you can get one. The first step in getting your personal injury settlement starts with a consultation with a lawyer. This isn't just any lawyer, but one who specializes in personal injury cases. This expert will meticulously assess your case, determining the viability of your claim. They'll guide you through the complex maze of the legal process, ensuring you understand each twist and turn. This consultation is the cornerstone of your journey towards justice. With a solid legal team on your side, you can now move to the next step. After securing legal help, it's time to gather evidence for your case. This step is crucial, folks. It's not enough to simply claim injury, you need to prove it. Evidence can come in many forms, and the more comprehensive, the stronger your case will be. Medical reports are key. They provide an official record of your injuries and the treatment you've received. They are often the bedrock of personal injury cases. But don't stop there. Witness statements can corroborate your story and provide additional context. If there were people present when the injury occurred, their accounts can be invaluable. Photos are another important piece of the puzzle. They can show the exact circumstances of the incident and provide a visual record that can be hard to dispute. Remember, thorough documentation is your friend in this process. The more evidence you have, the harder it is for the other side to argue against your claim. With all the evidence in hand, it's time to take action. With all the evidence gathered, the next step is to file the lawsuit. This process begins with drafting a complaint, a legal document outlining your injuries, the defendant's alleged negligence, and the compensation you're seeking. After completing this, the complaint is served to the defendant, formally notifying them of the lawsuit. Then we await their response, which typically comes within 20 to 30 days. This response will either admit guilt or dispute the claims. Once the lawsuit is filed, the negotiation process can begin. The final step in securing a personal injury settlement is the negotiation process. This is where the magic happens, where the rubber meets the road. It's where the attorneys of both the victim and the defendant engage in what can often be a delicate dance. They discuss, they debate, and they negotiate, each side pushing for their own interests, yet both aiming for a common goal: resolution. This negotiation process can often result in a settlement agreement, effectively eliminating the need for a drawn-out, potentially stressful trial. The aim here is not just to reach an agreement, but to reach a fair and satisfactory resolution for the victim. This is a resolution that acknowledges their suffering, covers their medical expenses, and compensates for any loss of earnings. In essence, the negotiation stage is where justice meets compassion, where the law meets humanity. It's where you, the victim, finally find closure. And that's how you get a personal injury settlement. So, you've learned the steps to getting a personal injury settlement. Let's quickly recap. First, you'll consult with a personal injury lawyer to understand your case. Second, there's the investigation and gathering of evidence to strengthen your claim. Third, you'll file the lawsuit, formally bringing your case to court. Finally, you enter the phase of negotiation and settlement, where you'll aim for the best possible outcome. Remember, each case is unique, but these steps provide a general guide to understanding the process of a personal injury settlement.